When machine start, we push function 4, set labor length and labor speed, related speed. Then we push page down to blank setting. The first blank means blank section labor length. Period means between two blank section, how many pieces labors between. And reamer to blank means cutter to blank sections, how many pieces between the cutter and the blank. And the rammer to sensor means how many pieces labors between the cutter and the mark tracer.